Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common problem, the dreaded P0301 trouble code. This code indicates a misfire in cylinder number 1 of your engine. Now, a misfire can be caused by several things, but don't worry, we'll go through a step-by-step process to identify and fix the culprit. Before we dive in, let's understand what's happening. A misfire means the air-fuel mixture in cylinder 1 isn't igniting properly. This can be caused by problems in the ignition system, fuel system, or even engine mechanics. Tools you'll need: basic toolkit wrenches, screwdrivers, spark plug gapper, replacement spark plugs. Consult your owner's manual for the right type. Optional: compressed air, spray bottle with cleaner. While we can't pinpoint the exact culprit with this code, we can narrow it down. Here are the usual suspects. Spark plugs. Worn out or fouled spark plugs are a common cause. We'll check their condition and gap. Ignition coils. Faulty coils can disrupt the spark delivery. We'll do a visual inspection for damage or leaks. Pop the hood and locate your spark plugs. Consult your manual for the exact location. Use a wrench to remove the spark plug wires. Unscrew the spark plugs with a socket wrench. Check the condition of the spark plugs. Look for cracks, excessive wear, or fouling dark buildup. Use a spark plug gapper to ensure the gap matches your car's specifications. Refer to your manual. If the plugs are bad or out of spec, replace them with new ones. Ignition coils. Ignition coils are usually located on top of the spark plugs. Check the coils for cracks, oil leaks, or corrosion. If a coil looks damaged, replace it with a new one. Important notes. Remember, this video is a basic guide. Always refer to your car's manual for specific instructions and safety precautions. If you're unsure about any step, don't hesitate to take your car to a mechanic. Remember, this video addresses the most common causes of a P0301 code. If you're not comfortable working on your car or the problem persists after these steps, don't hesitate to take it to a qualified mechanic. Thanks for joining me. If this video helped, leave a thumbs up below. And if you have any questions about P0301 or other car troubles, leave a comment and I'll do my best to help. Until next time, keep your engine purring.